Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to install manually SSL certificates on Namecheap. So let's get started. What you need to do, go to your domain list and after that, make sure to click on products. Once you are here, you will see the pricing plan of your hosting over here. Once you see that, on the right side, we have manage button and we have arrow also. Click on this and open your cPanel from over here. Once you click on that, it will take you right over here. What you need to do is scroll down until you see Namecheap SSL. And if you cannot find that, at the top right corner, you can also search for Namecheap SSL. This is where you will end up over here and click on this option. Once you are here, you will see the domains all over here. And I have seen my domain over here. And what you can do, just click on install from over here. And it would take some time to install your SSL certificate on your specific domain. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to install SSL certificates on Namecheap. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.